Hello, in this video we're gonna check if your Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G has a fingerprint scanner. So let's lock our phone and actually try looking around from all sides on the phone. So we can establish that there's no fingerprint scanner on the back side of the phone, but this thing looks like one, so we're gonna check it out in a second. Here's the volume down, volume up, and the power key. So now, after we checked out everything, we can unlock our phone. Now let's move to our settings. Find the security, fingerprint, and here let's set up fingerprint and pattern. So the fingerprint scanner is right here on the power key. Let's try the sensitivity. It's okay. So that means it has a fingerprint scanner right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.